Right then, guys, well, let me tell you, this beautiful Seabream dish is an absolute stunner, and it's so easy to make. Forget takeaways, forget complicated recipes. Tonight, we're cooking something that's going to transport you straight to a gorgeous little trattoria on the Italian coast. We're talking about beautiful fresh fish, sweet ripe tomatoes, and a lovely handful of fragrant herbs. It's clean, it's vibrant, and it's on your plate in less time than you think. This is one of those meals that just slaps, you know? It's proper, honest food that makes you feel good from the inside out. It's sunshine on a plate, simple as that. What I love about this recipe is its simplicity. It's all about respecting the ingredients. You've got this gorgeous Seabream with its delicate, flaky white flesh that just melts in your mouth. Then you bring in those jammy, sweet Italian tomatoes, bursting with flavor. A bit of garlic, a splash of white wine, and a generous handful of fresh basil and parsley. Bosh! You've created something seriously special. This is home cooking at its best. Straightforward, rustic, and the flavors just sing together beautifully. Okay, first things first. Let's get our lovely ingredients lined up. Good food starts with good produce, so try to get the best you can. For 2 people, you'll want 1 beautiful whole Seabream, about 600 grams, or you can grab 2 nice fillets if you prefer. When you're buying your fish, have a proper look at it. You want bright, clear eyes, and the flesh should be firm to the touch. Give it a little sniff. It should smell of the sea, fresh and clean, not fishy. That's how you know you've got a good one. Don't be shy. Have a chat with your fishmonger. Now, for our beautiful sauce, we need about 4 big, ripe, juicy tomatoes. San Marzano tomatoes, if you can get them, or a 400 green tin of quality chopped tomatoes as backup. 1 small onion, a couple cloves of garlic, a good handful of fresh herbs, basil, flat leaf parsley, a little sprig of thyme or oregano. Next up, our gorgeous green veg. Green beans, zucchini, tender asparagus, a bit of Biden freshness to cut through the richness of the sauce, extra virgin olive oil, sea salt and freshly ground black pepper, a splash of dry white wine or juice of half a lemon. That acidity will make the flavors pop. It's a simple list. Every ingredient plays its part. You don't need fancy gadgets, a sharp knife, a chopping board, a frying pan or skillet, a baking tray if you're doing the fish whole, and a deep skillet with a lid is a 1-pan winner. Having everything prepped and ready, that's mise en place. Simple as that. Right, let's get to the fun part, the prep. First, let's sort out our fish. If you've got a whole Seabream, ask your fishmonger to scale and gut it. Give it a quick rinse under cold water. Pat it completely dry with kitchen paper. Take your knife and make 2 or 3 little slashes on each side, cutting down to the bone. That helps the heat get right in and cooks the fish evenly. Rub it all over with a little olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Stuff a few basil leaves into the cavity. Add a sprig of parsley. Lovely job. If you're using fillets, the prep is even easier. Pat the fillets dry, especially the skin side. Drizzle a little olive oil, season with salt and pepper. Leave the skin on for a delicious, crispy texture. Set the seasoned fillets aside while we make the sauce. Little details make the difference. Now for our rustic tomato sauce, let's get chopping. Finely chop your onion, slice your garlic, and roughly chop fresh tomatoes. Pan on medium, add a good lug of olive oil. Chuck in the chopped onion. Cook 3 to 4 minutes until soft and sweet, not colored. In goes the garlic for a minute until fragrant. Tip the tomatoes into the pan and give it a good stir. Fresh tomatoes bubble and break down for about 10 minutes. Tinned tomatoes 5 to 7 minutes. Add a splash of white wine or a squeeze of lemon juice. Let it sizzle for a minute. Roughly chop basil, roughly chop parsley. Stir most into the sauce, save a little for garnish. Have a taste. Season with salt and pepper until it makes you happy. Keep it warm on a low heat. Okay, pan's on, let's cook. I love keeping the vegetables simple and fresh here. If you're using green beans, just top and tail them. Get a pan of salted water on a rolling boil. Blanch the beans for just 2 or 3 minutes. As soon as they're done, plunge them into a bowl of ice-cold water. This little trick stops the cooking process instantly and keeps them beautifully bright green and crunchy. For zucchini, slice it into nice chunky rounds. We will cook that in a pan. If you're cooking a whole sea bream, preheat your oven to 200-degree Celsius or 390-degree Turf. Pop the seasoned fish onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Give it one last little drizzle of olive oil. Slide it into the hot oven. It'll need about 12 minutes or up to 18 minutes depending on size. You'll know it's done when the flesh is opaque and flakes away easily from the bone. The skin will be golden and irresistible. Don't overcook. Keep it moist and juicy. If you've gone for fillets, get a non-stick frying pan on medium-high. Add a little slick of olive oil. Carefully place the fillets in, skin side down. You should hear a lovely sizzle. Press gently for 20 seconds. Let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes without moving. Then flip and cook 1 to 2 minutes more. That's it. Done. Get that same pan back on with a little more oil. Toss in your zucchini chunks. Sauté 3 to 5 minutes until tender with color. At the very end, add your blanched green beans, a bit of chopped parsley, a pinch of salt, a squeeze of lemon juice. Give it all a good toss together. Everything is now cooked and ready. The fish is perfect. The sauce is rich and fragrant, and the veg is vibrant and tasty. It's all coming together beautifully. Right then, the moment of truth. Let's get this beautiful food onto a plate. Get yourself a couple of nice warm plates. Take a big spoon. Generously ladle that gorgeous rustic tomato and herb sauce into the middle of each plate. Don't be shy with it. Let it spread out naturally. We're not looking for perfect circles. This is food made with love. It should look like it. Now for the star of the show. Carefully place your perfectly cooked sea bream on top of the sauce. Serve a whole fish for the wow factor, or gently flake the meat off the bone and arrange it. If you cooked fillets, lay them skin side up to show that golden color. Arrange the vibrant herb vegetables on the side. Let them tumble on casually for height and color contrast. Now for a few final flourishes. Scatter fresh basil, scatter parsley. Take your best extra virgin olive oil and drizzle confidently. This isn't for cooking, this is for flavor. A peppery, fruity finish. Serve with a little wedge of lemon on the side. Serve immediately with a chunk of crusty bread to mop up the juices. A simple green salad on the side would be lovely too. Tip: season your fish properly. Tip: don't be scared of the heat when crisping the skin. Tip: always finish with fresh herbs, so please give this a go. Get in the kitchen and enjoy a proper taste of Italy. It's healthy, it's delicious, and it's going to put a massive smile on your face. It's about celebrating those simple, beautiful things in life. A bit of fish, some lovely tomatoes, a few herbs. Sometimes that's all you need to make a bit of magic in the kitchen. Let's do it. Lovely jubbly.